In a small town nestled between lush valleys, there lived a humble man named Yousuf. He was known for his unwavering faith and kind heart, often helping those in need. But his trials of life sparred against him, swirling him into a storm of despair. Yousuf found himself grappling with worry and sadness. Yet his heart was firm. In these moments of weakness, he turned towards the sacred words spoken by the prophets, seeking sanctuary and solace. When burdens grew heavy, Yousuf would sit in the tranquil corner of his modest home and whisper the timeless plea of Prophet Yunus, whispered from the belly of darkness. In his native tongue, he would expound on its meaning. There is no deity except you. You are exalted. Indeed, I have been of the wrongdoers. As the words spilled from his lips, he imagined the comforting embrace of Allah's mercy, gradually untangling the knots of despair gripping his heart. In moments when worries danced around him like shadows at dusk, Yousuf would call upon the supplication for anxiety and sorrow, yearning for relief. With each invocation, he felt a lightness, as if the burdens were being lifted by invisible hands, and a steadfastness, knowing that he was shielded from harm. As nights fell silent and stars pricked the inky sky, Yousuf would rest his forehead against the cool earth, reciting the beloved words taught by the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH. Deep in the solitude of prayer, his heart would fill with tranquility, knowing he was never abandoned. In his darkest hours, the resolute prayer of the believers, Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal al-wakeel, became his beacon, a reminder that Allah suffices. Each utterance kindled a flame of hope, painting his horizon with the promise of divine aid. Through Yusuf's story, we are reminded that in distress, the true strength of faith stems from turning to Allah. The whispers of dua become bridges connecting the soul to its merciful Creator, unraveling layers of despair with the warmth of divine compassion.